ya dai ki jingriเป็นบรรดาพี่น้องยาลำจองกิเซงสันเปิดเทนักทานชะเทลามิงี้มันเป็นยาสอยาบรอกิเซงริวลุ่มฮับบอกกับกิชัตรีบัดเป็นบรรดากับ BCCI บันไอสงบภาสันพวยกลดปิงกายากกันหัวเนี่ยแหละกับคริกเก็ตเกนเทกับอินเดียฮาเดียนบัติลาจ็อบยากกับ ODI World Cup เมนตากินยาขมียากิคูบอลแบบเนี้ยหากจะลาHadirin balajan wan ke ayom terkong Menteri Bekmi ya katanat ki boarding uba met ba lingdo ula pentikna ba ka jela Meghalaya kanumat ya ka jing pelip boarding ha ka ni ka ayom telang namal ba ka MEECL kala pen klanya ki power line bat ya ki substation ban pentikna ba anla ban pendap ya ki jing don boarding uba met ba ula ya thu ru ba ka jing ya kren kadang ya chakmat halo ka jing thmu ban bu ya ka solar power plant bat ban pendai ar hajar tali ki solar pump ha ka leng ki jaka ha kaวัดลากจิงหลุดบรรบุยากโซลาร์พาเนลหากิตนูมีเองกลองกับเหตุดอร์
Here in Meghalaya, we are providing around 45% subsidy to the scheme, where at the end of the day, the beneficiaries ended up by paying just 5% only. So, we are already in the process of installing about 2,000 plus additional solar poles. And we have also the constraint here as far as the rooftop, solar rooftop installation also. And in fact, this is one of the issues which I have raised before the Union Minister.
Hakaway pat ka kubor ka sang UDP hapo ka jingalam uba met ba kala thaw ya ka committee banjet ikirtong na ka benta ka election sha ka yeng dor ba GHADC khnang ban pen khlan ya ka sang hakathan Garo Hills
fine and the people or the candidates who are interested and who are there in respective constituencies for the upcoming GHADC elections. As of now, we do have one MDC who is from UDP there. As far as party is concerned, it will be very difficult to do any kind of activities as far as that particular constituency or that particular area. Until unless you have the elected member, then you can see the difference between the constituency where the elected and the non-electeds are.
Menteri Bekmi ya katanat puli puthi uba lakmen rumbui ula pentikna ba ansa shimardor ya ki senjam ban penbet ya ki jimbakla ki badon hakakot yarap CM impact ula ong ba ka sarkar ba ki nong mi penmi ya ka nikakot kin shimkhya ya bat ya ka jingit kle ban penbet penbyang ya baro ki jingdon kam hakakot puli
any error which detected, it is responsible of the government, responsible of a publisher, responsible of the board, which prescribe the book to take a corrective measure then and there. So since the information you are giving to me just now, I learned from that, I will take a prompt action that whatever error which is there should be corrected because any knowledge which are impart to the children, it should be true, it should be not false, or there should be no error at all.
Hakaway pat ka benta ka sarkar ka thmu ban pentrekam ya ka mission education 4 ka badai ka jing thmu ban thau thamai kumba shispa san photali ki ying school na ka benta ki school lower primary bat man maramot ya kumba khatsan hajar tali ki ying school hakaleng ka jila Meghalaya ula ben rap ru da ka baong ba ka puli puthi ka de ka benta ba khmat do hakaba ka sarkar kan pelut hadu kumba lai hajar ru spa san phusau klor tingka na ka benta ka tanat puli puthi.
It is the endeavor of the government to provide, as I said time and again, not only today, but since the last 7 years, the government have tried to improve all the infrastructure of the school. Having said that, it is not very easy for the government to do in one go. That's why we have started Mission 1 in 2019, continued to Mission 2 in 2021, and Mission 3 in 2023, and now we are going to go into the Mission 4. So let's hope that the school which must will be in that list. But having said that, most of the school in the rural area, they need the infrastructure.
Halor ka jingkala rong jongkawa umngot. Kabala du no ya kanam halor ka jing smur clear bat kala jingut na kadaw ka jing tuat kendo. Kabala pen kusla ya baro uba remboi ula ong bakani ka jingkala rong jongka ni kawa ka day na kadaw ka jing pentre kam ya ka surok thamai bat mahamru ya ka company ka ba pentre kam da ka ba ong bakinu ki ba penjulor ya ka mariang kensangat ha ka jing penstom kat kum ka an.
The water of River Umngot have turned muddy, which is affect the life of the fish or any thing are living bodies in the water. Not only that, it also affect the livelihood of the people. The Honorable Deputy Chief Minister have already spoken to the company to see that how that this river, this beautiful river, which is an asset of the state, assets in the sense that tourism, Umngot is one of the destination, Snorkeling is one of the destination, Daki is one of the destination of the tourists, where because of that, the people from Khanapara till Shillong till Umngot, they earn the livelihood, should not affect.
Hakabaya day bat ki kam san hima sima kasang United Democratic Party kan yai ap bat khmi bnia shwa ya ki jing terwa ban penia so ya baro ki sang san perthai na kathan hapo ka wei ka kanhun lingba ka jingalam jong kasang NPP bat kasang tipra mutha uba remboi ula ong ba kasang UDP kan puli bnia shwa ya ki matre kam jong kan ka kanhun hashwa ba kan shim ya karai da ka baong bat banjur ba ka nongrim jong kasang kalong banyada ya ka hok bat ki jing mentoy jong ki pat ba riulum ka MEGHALAYA.
Our main concern, we as the UDP, our main concern is that we have to protect as much as possible the right of the people of Meghalaya. We have to see that the Meghalaya develop. We'll try to see that the interest of the local indigenous people is being served in the state of Meghalaya. So I cannot comment on any regional front or new front, if any, is being formed until and unless we see what is the program, what is the motive, or what is the motto, then only I can comment on anything. As of now, since this is a new thing, we have not started the party, I cannot speak on that. As I said, that we have to see what if it is formed, how it is formed, what type of front, what is its ideology. That is the main purpose.
Kinongelam Jongka Hills Farmers Union lanika HFU hinin kasngi kila ya kundu ya Deputy Commissioner Karibhoy u Abhilash Paranwal bat ya District Veterinary Officer ban penpau ya ka jing sokya halor ka jing suba baki snyang ha ka district kila yo ya ka jing pangkeshet bajutep kum ka African swine flu u General Secretary ka HFU u ba e kharsantiu ula ong baki nongret kila mat ya shibon ki jing do nong khamtam kitu kibla shim dakaram lingba ka piggery mission ka union kala airu daka dor khas ban kuntu bat penjari kerki no daka jingkhang ya kisnyang ki bawan ra na shabar batru bandon ka jingjurep ka babnia ya kimrat ha ka khardop check gate ban tep ya ki jingri ki bawan na shabar ka jilla ka sang HFU ka thmuru man ya kundu ya umentri bakmi ya katanat veterinary bat ya umentri rangba ka jilla ban kerpat ya ki ban shimar dor ya ki sinjam ki badon kam
kini kinongri jingri kiba sakajala jungi menta kidan at risk lani kidan haka jingma ka besar kai bha namar ngi i bakini ki khon samla menta kilas dang menshim ya ka kam risnyang ka kam risyar kum ka business te hendrai ka ai ka jing e ka ba kinongri jingri ki kendo menta ka wei ka dai namar ka jing sisin ba yap usnyang kamut barok kasam kan tlibai imre watang wei ro kata ka dai ka wei ka jing e kabaar nadu pa ka sarkar ka penslur ya ki kon samla ya ki cooperative society ya ki FPO banshim ya kani ka loan lingba ka pigri mission tehnrei yang itu ipi menta kini kinong rap kidan ha ka jingma bat ha ka jings il mensiam ka bashar kai do kata namar bala de kini ki nyang ki yap do hisam ka bomut kini kinong rap kinomla bansiu la ne ban recovery ya kani ka loan
MEGHALAYA Indigenous Women Council kalapan pau ya kajing sokya halor kajing kiu palat jong kabai boarding kabla ai da ka MEPDCL Cleariat Subdivision da ka bakeno bakani ka dei nakadaw kajing bam shimkia kinong tre ka president ka MIWC ka kong bi dakar kala ong bakani ka jingkiu ka boarding kala kta bha ya kibriu ki baduk bat kala ong bawat kabai boarding ying jongka kala hiar na ka ahja hanru spa tingka shaka ar spa hanru pra tingka hadin dep panwan penbej kinong shong snong jong ka snong nong sning ru kila ujor halor ka jingkiu palat jong ka boarding watla ka jinglip boarding kalong ka pakha kha but don ki paong ba ka bai boarding kala tam wat ya ka bai yeng wai ru
takabil jong aru kapoi shadow ar hajar ru spa tam tang badang la li yakendo USDO dangala kendo USDO ngapha le correction dala le correction kabil jonga kapoi tang arspa nru popra tangka temut kajing ya pher hangta kala long shabneng bat khando kabak la ban kta ya ka yok ka kot jong kalong yeng long sem jong kinu kibadon hakajing kordit kumbangi latim menta ba barok kawai ka district ngidon hapok kajing kordit tang bala daka office si jong ka MPDC L kalek kumne mut kan kta shibun ya kinong chong snong iba pendon kam ya ka electricity
MEGHALAYA Commercial Truck Owner and Drivers Association kila lej banya kendo ya commissioner jong ka East Khasi Hills banya kren halor ka jingya ka ja baya dei bar ka dor kit yakimar ka company shna deu bilat hinre ka jingya kren ka klempoish asia kinong elam ka MCTODA kata uba W nong tudu bat uba Moslander Marngar kila ong ba kinong tre ka company kibla la ban shim yakarai ki klem wan banya kren ka association ka dawa ba ka dor kit yakimar ka de ban long maringkat wat yakijingkit ki bashabar ka jilla hadin ka jingsange pentre kam jongki kablane prasni linter menta ka MCTODA kala kentu ya ka sarkar mantuklar lem halor kani ka benta da ka baong baka company ka khnyat ben yakinong tre ki bedai ki trai muluk
kadba ya kimar ki mata ki bayat sabar jong ka jalla MEGHALAYA kamut nginum la ban IP ka dor kendai tengka te kamut kani ke jumut pamangi hapnyon ni ki paradok kamut ladang ikit mar hang ni po MEGHALAYA kamun ngap sim kendai tengka kadba sabar jalla kamut ngisim me ka dor san tengka te hato kata ka balik sabar jalla kamut hap her na beneng ka biat na ju ka surok te ladai hapo ngilik penap doyong ya penap simen lani mo ya u yiki kelingka ladang penap simen jua ya ki parado ki badan po nongpo tamut ngisim da ka government rate kadba ladang ya jaga ju kalti banlai syadu sya asam minyak lang bana nongpo kamut ngisim da kata karit ka bolong kham hapo du bani government rate te kata kalong kumang nyon ben yaki lagi jong i parado prasnam
ka district level chief minister youth engagement program ahajar arpusan nakabenta kathan West Garo Hills kala kutno hatura hakani ka program lawan manishim benta dapalat south spa sanphongut ki samla pule ki belaya kop haki jai program ba pair ki bakantop ya ka jinga kop draw ba nyat rong ka jinga kop tho poetry halor ka jingshem ba thamai lingba ka jing start science but ka jinga kop shot but right then right haba ai jingkren hakani ka program ulampang ka ying dor ba thau an ka jila u Thomas A sangma ulaong makini ki samla ki dai ki reshot ki banlong ki nong yalam yak imlang ka salang na ka benta kala shai but kentu yaki bakin pendon kam hok yala ka sap ka phong baki don katba na kalyang u district sports officer u saljering em marak ulaong bakani ka program ka dai ka rinsan ban ailat yaki samla ki badon ya ka sap ban penpau sha ka perthe ha ka ba kin sayo ya ka lat ban mi khmat na ka district sha ka state level CMYEP ka ban sa penlong hanong ba shillong ha ubnai banwan.
This program was originally known as the Youth Exchange Program, but now it carries a renewed vision and a new name, focusing more than ever on equipping youth for leadership, innovation, and responsible citizenship. Develop your energies to positive things. It will lead to so many negative things in the society, and for which not only the society, the entire state will also suffer. A purpose to unite, to inspire each other, unite our youth, encourage discipline, foster dialogue, and kindle the pursuit of excellence.
Ka State Disaster Management Authority haringkat ka Jingetrelang bat ka District Disaster Management Authority East Khasi Hills minta kasngi kala sam da kitiar ai jingerap bedonkam na ka benta barok ki nongtrai ki bahap hapo ka Yuva Apda Mitra Scheme ha usosotham auditorium haba ai jingkran ha kani ka program umentri bakmi ya katanat disaster management uba lakmen rumboy ulaya ro ya ki kam bat ki jingno sinyang ba ka kenhun ka NYK ka NCC ka Scouts and Guides bat ki dekot ke NSS ki latre bat kentu yaki bakin long ki balapen kre lada wanja ringkat kanu ke jingja balong kerki ha kani kasngi palat saus pa ngut ki samla ki bedon ha ki kenhun baper ki layo pediang yaki tiar ai jingerap ban pen kre lada wan ja kanu ke jingja bakerki ha keleng ki jaka ha ka jela.
Understand the need of the human being. And you are the one, you are full of 24 here, you are the one who understand. I hope that collectively, and you know that the Chief Minister has really to engage with the youth. This whole week, whole 2 weeks, we have seen that the Chief Minister has given the platform to different youth through the Chief Minister Youth Engagement Program that to engage with the youth. Engage with why? We have to instill in the mind of the youth that we have to work together, we have to transform together, we have to ease the livelihood of each and everybody together, because alone we cannot do it. So the youth are the not only the future, are the present and the future of the state. And I'm very happy that you are the very good, you have the mind, the cyber mindset to help the others. You have instilled in yourself the mind that how to help the people.
Mentang ini Paishwa Shakini की जिंगपन बना
एक जमाने से कहानी है सुना रही आकाशवाणी फिर आया एंटरटेनमेंट का रेवोल्यूशन जब कोने कोने पहुंचा दूरदर्शन कहानी नहीं बदली स्टाइल गया है बदल जो कहानियां हम सुनते आए देखते आए अब वही वैसी ही कहानी सुनाएगा डिजिटल
डाउनलोड वेव्स ऐप नाउ एंड वॉच फॉर फ्री
Mentang ini kimi biang ya ki kubor bedangsa. Kajing sang kentai KJP Sinot Sepngi menta kasngi kala penlong ya ka program Food Fest ban penmi pisa na ka benta ki jingdon kam ha ka imlang ka salang bat na ka benta ki kam baya day bat ka yang mani. Ya kani ka program la pli perda da UMLA ka penthor umkra uba AL hack ubalaya ro ya kani ka kenhun halor ka jing IT bat len la de ka jongki ban syakri ya ka imlang ka salang bat ban le ya ki kam isne. Haba ai jingkran ha kani kasngi uba hack ula kentu ya baro ban shim ya ka jingket clear na ka benta ban le bha ya ka imlang ka salang bat ban ai jingrap halor ki jingdon kam ha ki yang mani. Da ka babanjur ba ka jing syakri blay ba shisha kalong ban kinteu bat yarap ya ki wei ki bedon kam ya ki jingrap. Ulaya ro ru ya ka ni ka kenhun halor ka jingno sinyang ka jongki ha ka pule puthi ka jing selok bat ki wei ki kam ba.
Jadi menurut mentalang buat ai kita gajing syakri pengat kepat pengat pilih ki seng long kwe ki jongi ki seng te ki jongi ba gede bersim ya kane gajing kirkli kane responsibility bala dang UI gede ban mi khmat ru ong de ban ong ba shong bai tang yeng ru gede ban mi khmat gede ban pet ban UI kita gajing ya ka bakum ki khun ki ti ki jongi ki para ki bursa ki jongi ki kendu hak diga man ka nagwi ka por si gwi ka por ling ba jong kane gajing steo ko lazang sedang ban sincere ya ke imlang salang sedang ban sincere ya ke jingim ke jonga ke jongfi tadai na kata kata ga pen mau yang ipi sien bala dage jim ya kane ke kirkli aki betta ba per
Kasang Riboy Youth Federation Kaladawa Badibin Pentrekam no Mardor Yak An MEGHALAYA Resident Safety and Security Act Arhajar Katnrio Bat Banbu no Yak Entry Bat Exit Point Haka District. U President ka RBYF Uba Bipul thank you ulapan pauru ya ka jing persya halor ka jing pensange no ya ka scheme sobhagya da ka baong bakidang bun kishnong ha ka thain nong pendong ki bampat yo ya ka boarding electricity ulaong ba lapen trekam ya ka ni ka scheme tang hakikat tu kat ni ki benta kat ba nakaliang ka sarkar pedeng ka thumu ban bujli no ya ka ni ka scheme da ka RDSS
ni wan yang keli benia hakabini habidu kani Sebentar nak kalian ke RBF ke penpau yang keciklan ke Mekram Abad ai burumru yang disi ke bawula simkhia yang ke jingdawa jungi ke Riboy Federation dan Petri Kamno ya ke MRSSA hapu ke distrik ke jungi Nama ngide mengi ki khalai ke ligiseng ki bangila dawa nadu ustam arajar khadlai dan Petri Kam ya ke ALP lese ngini ha arajar kendai jong Disember kendai terik nak kalian ke assembly ru kalau lepas dan Petri Kamno ya ke ALP haka Jelah ke cungi, Henry kapat saya karai na po ka parliament. Henry adu kini sing iba ka parliament kam sim kano kalanti hakabidi pa kani ka LP. Henry gidon kam no mador pat bakaway ka an. Ka comprehensive mechanism ka di bandon mantel akam uwe borong posnongi uwe bosong masak posnongi uwe ba triple laru hakasnong ka jungi. Tengi iba ka principal act jong ni ka an ka dangim But nakaliang ka sarkar kumcu nakaliang ka district administration jungi ka Riboy district kalasang Petri Kam na dukalay terik na Oktober.
Mentang ini pai Shaki Kubor nakaleng kathan Shatay Lamingi. Hakabaya day bat ki kamsan hima sima ki saungut ki nongelam jong ki sengsan perthai nakathan Shatay Lamingi kuntup yu menteri rangba ka jala MEGHALAYA ubulong u president ka seng NPP u Conrad Sangma u pradyut Manikya nakaseng Tipra Motha u Daniel Langthangsa nakaseng PPA bat unong aiktin ka seng BJP u M Kikon kila penbena ban thau ya ka kunhun ban penyaso ya barok ki seng riulum ki ba nakathan Shatay Lamingi hapo kawe ka shatri Kanika committee menta kan sa thau ya kimat trekam nakabenta kanika kunhun thamai da ka thong ban ya trelang nakabenta ki jingmentoy ha ka than Shatay Lamingi.
We, the leaders from different states of the Northeast, have come together today to make a collective and a historic announcement, which is the coming together of various voices of our region to form a united, singular political entity that truly represents the aspirations of our people. For too long, we, the younger generation leaders in Northeast, have spoken about the same issues and concerns of our people.
A statement है, इसमें we have all signed as initial participating members, and there are many people who will be asking various questions, but let me be very clear and let us all be very clear. We want to speak for the people of Northeast.
Pur saungut ki lekno jong ka kunhun king atiar ka UKNA kila syak penyap hne ka step ha ka jing ther kuli bat ki shipai ha ka snong thanpi ka ba shaphang sepni jong ka chura chanpur ki khubor ki yathu ba ha ka te ka jingja ki lekno kila sedang ban siat kuli ningkong ya ki bor pahara ki balapan phai kala laong ba ka te ka kunhun ka de ka bala don benta ha ki kam pentrim kuntup ka jing penyap ya ukli jong ka te ka snong ki shipai ki laong ba ka ni kala Kem banwan ra pat ya ka jing shong suk shong san ha ka te ka than mentang in ya pai Shaka Kubor na kalengkari Menteri Bakmi ya katanat ki kambari u Dr. S.J. Shankar mentakasni ula pentikna bakari India ka ya ka jingkershan bapura halor ka jingtmu jongkari Gaza banya sukno daka papenpau bakani ka de ka jingkermen bakhaddo ban penkutno ya ka jingyakan at. Habaya keren bat Menteri ki kambari jongkari Israel uba Gideon Sar hanong ba Delhi ujay Shankar ula ong babaro arteli kiri ki mat ya kaju kajing sya penma na ki kam pentrim bat ki don kam ya kajing kershan lang jongkiri ka perthai banweng ya kani kajing e. Ujay Shankar ula penpau ya kajing day bat bajeliu hapadeng kari India bat kari Israel bat pediang sengau baru ya kajing trelang hapadeng kini ki ari hakal yang ki kam bayadei bat ki jingtei ki jingpenmi ya ki semiconductors ka cyber but renewable energy.
Indian workers are also today present in Israel in growing numbers as a result of our mobility understandings. They have some issues which need attention, and I hope that we can take that dimension of our ties forward.
In the Middle East, Israel faces a unique phenomenon which I call terror states. The radical terror states of Hamas in Gaza, Hezbollah in Lebanon, and Houthis in Yemen have established themselves over the past decades. Uprooting them is necessary for the security and stability of our region. The eradication of Hamas terror state is at the heart of President Trump's plan. Hamas must be disarmed. Gaza must be demilitarized. We will not compromise on it.
Mentang ini apa yang kubur nak keleng kepertai. Ha Mexico kinong yaki kilayakan art bat ki pulit ha Morelia hinin kasngi hadien ka jingsha penyap u Uruwepen Mayor u Carlos Manzo u bela syaksiat yap ha kasngi kan mau buram yaki bayap ha ka shitarik u naiwing kipat ba kilaya lumlang habar jongka mechoken ha ka ba kila perta bat dawa ya ka hok bat kani kala wanra ya ka jingya tinghu ha pedang kipat ba bat ki bor pahara ya utai umeya laju tep kum ubayang persha ya ka jing penyap brio ha ka ba dangshan ula kerpat ya ka jingya rap jongka sarkar banya kun persha ya ka jing sya thombor jongki seng bat ka jing pan pisa jubor ka ba pinjenjar ya ka than berok kawai. Ka Global Peace Prayer Festival kalasdang ha Bhutan hinnya kasngi manlumlang ya kinong elam Buddhist bat kinong wanra ya ka jingsuk ha kaleng ka perthai hadu ka khatnyo trik unaiwing lapenlong ya kani ka jingrakhe da ka Royal Government of Bhutan bat ka jingalang ka ba khatlai sngi ka badon ya ka jingle niam bakhoj ki jing dwai pat ba bat ka jing penkuk bor ya ka kala chakra bat ban kentiu ya ka jingsuk ka jingle isen a bat ka jing ateli ki benta bakongsan ki kenthop ya ka Global Peace Prayer bala penlong hamadan changlimi thang ka jing puli mantra baza guru bat ka jing pen kentang ya ki arspa san phomut ki Buddhist nuns na ka leng ka perthai ba an sapen kentang ya ki da UJE Khenpo mentang ini pai shaki khubor ya lekai. Benta jong ka jingrakhi ya ka jingdap sanspa snem jong ka hima nong klau bala tip ru kum ka hima khat sau pra ka bade ka jaka bala kha ya uklawat kari utirot sings im bat ka phan nong lait ka quincentennial champion cup knockout football tournament kala sedang hinne ka sngi hamadan dom maulum pendeng umyong mairang ha ka sngi play ya ka ni ka limpung ka pendeng umyong SC kala ya kun persha ya ka lausiet SC bat ha ka ni ka limpung kila don prateli ki kinhun ki banya kun banya kini ya ka nam la do ka belong shi benta jong ka jingrakhi jingdap sanspas nem jong ka hima. Ka Board of Control for Cricket in India kalapin benaya ka khusnam pisa ka basan phowei kalor tingka na ka benta ka kunhonia le kai cricket jongki kinthai ka India kinong kershan bat kinong jit hadien ka jingjob jongki ya ka ICC ODI World Cup u President jongka BCCI u Mithun Manhas ulayaro ya ka ni ka jingjob ka belong ka jingsarong ya ka rihi bro kawai katba u Secretary u Devajit Saikia ulapin bena ba ka ICC kala kintiu ya ka khusnam pisa ya le kai cricket jongki kinthai da lai spa sha kata naka lai point pra million shaka khatsau million ka India kala job ya ka South Africa da sanpo run ha ka final ha ka ba ka Shefali Verma bat ka Deepti Sharma kila yora ya ka naam bahakli do.
We have to thank Jay Shah, who is the chair of ICC, because just 1 month prior to this tournament, they have increased the prize money of ICC World Cup Women's from 3.88 millions to about 14 millions. That is, there is a shoot of about 300% of the prize money. That is for the teams to receive it. But as a wonderful performance today in DY Patil when they have defeated South Africa to win the championship, BCCI is elated, and without touching anything from the ICC's kitty, BCCI on its own is going to pay as a reward of 51 crores to the Indian team. That amount will go to the players, the selectors, as well as the support staff headed by Amol Majumdar.
Kakenhon yele akai hockey jongkari India kan penlong ya ka jingrakhi ya ka jingdap chispa snem jong ka jingele akai hockey ha ka hinyoutrik unai wing. Ha Major Dhyan Chand National Stadium ka baton hanong ba Delhi. U Menteri Ketanat ki kam sports jong ka sarkar pedeng u Dr. Mansukh Mandavia ulapan bana ban penlong ya ka ni ka jingrakhi ha ka jingi don ringkat lang jong ki riu kraw ki bakan thup ya u Zafar Iqbal u Jagbir Singh u Dilip Tirki bat u Ashok Kumar. Ya kani kajing rakhi anpan long da kajing snok tilang bat kasai kaban kunthup ya shi hajar tali kajing le kai ha ki sanspa tali ki district ki ban ya shimbenta da ki lai pu hunrio hajar ngut ki nong le kai ban ken mau buram ya kajing sedang jong kajing le kai hockey da ka Indian Hockey Federation house nem khat khandai spa arpusan
7 नवंबर को देश में हॉकी का 100 साल हो रहा है। 100 साल में हॉकी ने देश को गौरव भी दिलवाया है, देश को सम्मान भी दिलवाया है। और 7 नवंबर को सारे देश में 550 से अधिक डिस्ट्रिक्ट में 1400 से अधिक हॉकी टूर्नामेंट का आयोजन करा जाएगा।
Di mentang ini pitpat ya kajing long jingman kasen beneng hakal lengki bentang jong kejela. Hatura kajing kriat kalong. Hatura kajing kriat kalong 4 degree Celsius ba kajing shit kalong 4 degree Celsius kajing sengam ka hau menta kasingi kalong prapo nak sispa. Hapa pai pat hanong ba Shillong kajing kriat kalong 100 degree Celsius ba kajing shit kalong 4 degree Celsius kajing sengam ka hau menta kasingi kalong prapo nak sispa. Kat bah jawai pat kajing kriat kalong 100 degree Celsius ba kajing shit kalong 4 degree Celsius kajing sengam ka hau menta kasingi kalong hinyo popra nak sispa. Kandon kajing hap slap ba melumala bar kajing tit uperthan haki babun ki jaka Hatura Shillong ba jawai. Syaban poi syaka bekut jang ketup kebon ini pe biang saisian yakimat pekongsan. Dan dikena Menteri Kikam Boarding baan amlip boarding hakan ke ayam telang temu menteri kam ya ke solar project. Hukum Menteri Ketanat Kulit Putih dan penbaik Mador yang kejim bakalah hak kuat Arab CM Impact penbenar dan penderikam yang ke Mission Education 4 bat maham halor kejim penjabo ya kawa umngat. Penpau jing Sokia ke Hills Farmers Association halor kejim Supa 1 kejim pang African Swine Flu hak kathan riboy kentu ya ke sarkar dan cim keke ya ki sinjam badon kam banyada ya kejim ri. Penbenar kinong yalam jong kaseng san pertai nakathan chatai lamingi ban pinya so ya barok kiseng riulum hapo kami kshatri. bat penbenar ka BCCI ban Arsenal pasan kuai keluar tingkah ya ka kenhonia le kai cricket kintai ke India hadian bakila job ya ka ODI World Cup. Depalok atung lapoi syaka pakut jang ketuk kubajing minta ke janmit hadu mendai syam yang pilih syai kesini kublai piparo.